Major autohemotherapy, MAH. Ozone therapy. Major autohemotherapy, MAH, is an advanced ozone therapy technique in which a measured amount of a patient's blood, 5,200 milliliters, is withdrawn, mixed with a precise concentration of medical ozone, O2O3 gas mixture, and then reinfused intravenously. This therapy is widely used in integrative and complementary medicine for its broad health benefits. 5 major benefits of autohemotherapy. 1. Boosts oxygen utilization, enhances red blood cell flexibility and 2,3-DPG levels, improves oxygen delivery to tissues, helpful in fatigue, poor circulation, and ischemic conditions. 2. Enhances immunity, stimulates production of cytokines, interferons, interleukins, TNFA, balances immune response in chronic infections, autoimmune diseases, and inflammation. 3. Antimicrobial effect, ozone destroys bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. 4. Detoxification and antioxidant support, activates antioxidant enzymes, SOD, catalase, glutathione peroxidase, reduces oxidative stress and aids detoxification of metabolic waste. 5. Pain relief and anti-inflammatory action, reduces inflammatory mediators and improves circulation, effective in arthritis, chronic pain, fibromyalgia, and joint diseases. By Dr. S. Navasakthi, Chief Medical Acupuncturist and Ozone Therapy Consultant, Holistic Wellness Care Center, Puducherry. For appointments, 0413-225-5445 vertical bar, 9944875445.